What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Ton Time. This is your host, Donnie, and today we will be unboxing this Xbox Series X Replica mini fridge. Nope, this is not the console. The console. This is actually a mini fridge that holds 12 cans of soda. So it's pretty cool. It's only available at Target. These sell out pretty fast because it's a pretty cool, nifty Xbox refrigerator. It looks exactly like the Series X Xbox, but it's 1.5 to 1 scale. So obviously it's bigger than the actual Xbox because it's a fridge and it holds 12 cans. So this is pretty awesome for all you gamers out there. It's thermoelectric cooled, and yeah, it holds a dozen cans of soda. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what is inside. This is a Target only item, so you can only get it at Target. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it now. So this is the front of the box. This is the side. It tells you that you can hold 12 soda cans and 2 snack shelves. This is what it looks like. Green inside. There's a can of soda that you can put. It actually lights up with the little X. And I believe it's USB powered, or it might be a charging port there. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. 10-liter capacity. It holds up to 12. Closed items up to 36 degrees F. USB port for charging. It has a USB port charger on there too. Integrated LED lights and removable shelves. So that's cool. So you got a USB port for charging there. Top of the fridge. Xbox Sphere lights up as well. So yeah, you can take this on the road if you want because it's kind of small. So that's what the box looks like. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what is inside the box here. Alright, so upon opening, you got this. You know what? It might be best for me to just open it like this. For big items, I usually like to open it upside down. So it just slides out of the box like that. Okay, obviously there's some bottom packaging there. This is the bottom, so I'll flip it around right now. So let's go ahead and remove the plastic bag. So this is how it's supposed to sit up. So it comes with a little card here, instruction manual. So just your typical safety information, plugging it in, risk of overheating, the actual dimensions. Okay, but yeah, here is the actual fridge itself. So yeah, you got the slot here that looks like it's for the CD. Or Blu-ray or whatever it is on there at the moment. And then you got this light that lights up. A little button here. I believe here's a little button, power on and off. I don't know what this button does here. So it just feels like a regular button. But I think this is the one to power on and off, and that's your charging there. So when you open it, green inside. So let's say, so this says this cooler is not intended for continuous use. We recommend you turn the cooler off intermittently based on ambient temperature surrounding your cooler. It will be likely that the concentration will appear inside your cooler. Just normal. So a couple of warnings on here. So you got the shelves here. So you got your power supply here. So it looks like it actually comes with 2 sets of wires. You got your regular power wire here for home use. And it's cool that it actually comes with a car charging wire too, so you can actually take this on the road if you want, which is awesome. So as you can see, here's a shelf. There's two shelves, and both of these looks like they're removable. Yep, as you see, they're removable, both of them. So however way you like to stack your cans, but they claim that it can hold 12 in here. So that's your fridge here. Let's look at the back. Okay, so you got your, let's see, these are just indentations of the actual ports on the back of the actual unit, which is funny. You got your NIC to USB port, display port. So they actually have the indentation of what it looks like. Also with the inputs and output connectors on the original Xbox, which is cool. But up here, looks like you have the power. So you have two types of plugs. The square plug for DC, that's for you to hook up directly to your car. And the other side is for AC, which is for plugging into the house. So you got your options there, and you also have the eco mode and the max mode here, where you can toggle your switch or off. So however cool you like it. And they said that the top here glows like the Xbox, original Xbox, and well, I don't know if the original Xbox glows on top, but they said that there's light on top here, and then there's a light on the front here as well. So yeah, guys, there you have it. This is the unboxing of the Xbox Series X Replica mini fridge, and this is everything that comes in the box. You got the fridge, two plugs, your car plug, and your house plug, and your fridge itself with all the goodness in here. And you know what? I'll go ahead and plug this in just so you guys know what it looks like. And maybe I'll see if I can stuff 12 sodas in here right now. So let me go ahead and do that right now off camera, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, I'm back. So right now, it's plugged in, and then you can see the Xbox light, and then you see the green light on top here, which is awesome. So I found out that each of these two buttons here, it's always on when you plug it in, but if you hit this button here, it turns off the front. Hit this button here, it turns out the top if you don't want any lights. So each of these buttons controls its respective light. So this one controls top, this one controls here. So another thing is, they said that this could fit 12 cans, which it can, but be mindful that I couldn't fit it with the tray. Well, the tray will fit, but you have to remove these snack tray if you want to fit all 12 cans. So I have all 12 cans in here right now. So yeah, it wouldn't close because the snack tray is in the way. So you could actually have 8 cans in here plus the snack tray, or just 8 cans in here plus the snack tray. So that's kind of a bummer. I thought you could have both, but which is okay. I mean, I don't know. There's that many snacks that's refrigerated that I know of. So and let's see. I don't know if I'm getting this in properly. Okay, so also with the shelves, it kind of goes in a little bit. I was having troubles with it, so you got to be sure you got to do it properly there. So it looks like there's not enough room, but once you slide it in, you see it kind of locks in there. So yeah, it's not even here. It kind of flows in. So be mindful of that. So I got the shelves all back in. There. So I got 4 cans. So you can put 4 cans on each. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cans in this configuration with your shelves. with your snack trays, which I'm not sure. Oops, it probably goes this way. There you go. Like that. Then it closes. So you can hold 10 cans, 10 cans with the snack tray, but if you want to hold more, just remove the snack trays and you can stuff them down here and then you can close it. And then you hold all the cans there. So there you have it. This is a review and unboxing of this Xbox mini fridge. It'll make a cool addition to your gaming room. Available only at Target. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, click that like button and subscribe to the channel. And like always, thank you for watching and peace out till next time.